This is crazy.
Oh, really good. And only crazy people do this ride. It's so magical.
This better be the best popcorn I've ever had. This is the wildest Disney day we've ever had. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel, or if you're new here, I'm Audrey.
And I'm Hui.
And welcome to Disneysea.
It is a rainy day today.
Yeah.
But it's going to be an amazing day because we have seen so many good things about Disneysea, and we are so excited to explore this park, and we'll take you guys along with us. So we got here at 7:30. It is 8:30 now, and the line is starting to move. They are letting people go into the park a bit earlier than the 9 o'clock opening time. Let's see what time we will get inside the park.
Alright guys, we're finally inside the park. That took 2 hours for us to get in, and it is now snowing. This is crazy. It was also hectic because we tried to get the access to the rides. We only got 2. So for now, we're just gonna go to a bakery, try to get some snacks.
I've never been to Disney in the snow. It's so magical, but also it's freezing cold because it's pretty windy here right now today. So on the weather app, it said that it feels like we are walking in 22-degree weather. Alright, so we got a Queen Amman, a puff pastry, and a tapioca iced latte. And Audrey will try it out. Pretty good. Much needed. Need some sugar and some energy. Alright, next is the puff pastry with harissa hot sauce. That's really good. Check it out, guys. Even when it is snowing, this park is still full of people. The snow is getting heavier and heavier. I don't know if you can see from my face, but we got some energy in us, and we are walking to the first attraction. And our first ride is Nemo and Friends. Alright, this is gonna be our true first impression of the ride because none of us know what this ride is about.
Nemo?
いや僕と一緒に行こういい波大好き違ううちに帰るってことだよ
We are on the second ride, Aquatopia, and only crazy people do this ride in this rain. And we are those crazy people. OMG, there's no cover. Oh my gosh, look how wet I am. You know how I told you that we are crazy for going on that ride? You know what's even crazier? I didn't even put on poncho. So now look. I'm all wet. Alright guys, we are now in Fantasy Spring, and I have my poncho on now because the rain is not stopping. It is lunchtime now and we're at the Snuggly Duckling. Through the Disneysea app, we can mobile order, which was very quick. But then the challenge was to find a table, and it took us like 15 minutes just to find an empty table. But we're so hungry, so let's eat. First, let's try the fries. Warm and salty. I needed that. So Audrey got a shrimp burger. Look at that tail.
Got no shrimp. Love it.
Good, good.
Alright, we got 2 snack items, and a pro tip is to always mobile order at the restaurants that offer mobile order, because the lines are crazy here for the food. So we got the alien mochi, aka the little green dumplings, and a strawberry creme brulee churro. It tastes like strawberry pocky. It's not the same as the churros in the US, but it's still good. It's so stretchy and chewy. Ooh, chocolate. Guys, look at this weather. You would think that we were lying, that it was snowing earlier.
Not a single cloud in the sky.
This is the wildest Disney day we've ever had. But we're so thankful that the sun came out, because it's so much warmer now. And we still have, it's 2 p.m. and so we still have about 6 hours to enjoy the park with this nice weather. So the next ride that I'm not going on, but the boys are going on, is a roller coaster called Raging Spirits. So they're gonna take you guys with them on that ride.
Alright guys, we're about to go on Raging Spirits and we have to put the phone away, so I'll let you guys know how it goes after the ride. Alright guys, so the Raging Spirit is pretty fun, but it's also very quick. It's like a common theme for most of the ride here, where it gives you a little taste of the ride, and then as soon as you start to enjoy it, it's over. It has a really nice mini loop, and then 2 small drop with the free 40th anniversary priority pass. We were able to skip all the line. We got in and we got done with the ride within 5 minutes. It was super quick. After Raging Spirit, this is our next ride.
So we do know what to expect from that ride, but it was honestly 10 out of 10.
Yeah, it was a really fun ride. It was the longest ride of the day.
That was my favorite.
So far.
We all got to sit down, and the song and animatronics, right? Is that your part? It was good. It was good.
And the wait was only 10 minutes.
Yes, that
You
makes.
need a little break. That's a great
We
one.
can head this way, huh, Bill?
And the day is starting to get better. The sun is coming out.
Alright, we had a GPA for Journey to the Center of the Earth, but the ride is down right now. So they gave us a replacement pass for anything, so we're gonna go use it on Frozen. Alright guys, change of plans. We decided to wait around the area in case they open back up. So I think we waited about 25 to 30 minutes.
30 minutes, yeah.
And they opened up, so we just joined the standby line. And now we're going straight through to the ride. And we still have our pass to use for a different ride later. So that's exciting. Let's see how it goes.
50 minutes later, since they reopened the line, it's finally our turn, and we don't know what this ride is about, so it's gonna be a fun surprise. Hopefully it's a good ride. Alright guys, I spoke too soon. There are more lines. just got out of the Journey to the Center of the Earth ride. That was a really fun ride. I think one of the best ones so far today. But again, the theme is that it leaves you wanting just a tiny bit more. It's a tiny bit short, but it's really fun. It is a high-speed ride, so we couldn't film much. But if you guys have the time to wait in line, highly recommend that ride as well.
A few minutes later.
Time for another snack. We get a gyoza bun. It's right next to the Journey to the Center of the Earth ride.
I think the sauce makes everything good.
This sauce, make sure you get it.
Yeah.
It's so good. That gyoza bun was really good, and now we are in line for another snack, which is a savory churro. One of the underrated thing about the Disneysea is that all the snacks and food are very tasty and affordable. It's a churro shape, but it almost tastes like a gnocchi because it's potato, and it has like a flavor of like a gravy. It's really good. I like it.
Here's our Mexican friend who is like saying that this is
Disgrace. Disgrace.
this is not a real churro.
It's a demi-glaze. It's not a disgrace.
Okay. Does it taste good? Yeah. I said don't knock it till you try it. But it's not a real churro. We're now in line for another snack, which is the white chocolate popcorn. This line is really long. I think it's gonna take us 30 minutes to get this popcorn. This better be the best popcorn I've ever had. Popcorn, we waited in line for how long?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Okay, that's pretty good.
Is
But
it
is
worth
it
30 minutes?
though? That's pretty good. It's not mind-blowing though. I wouldn't wait 30 minutes. Alright, we're finally going on our last ride of the day, Anna and Elsa's Frozen Journey. So let's go.